Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Queen of Manifesting Dreams here, and Tyrion decided to join me. I am so happy you are here again, and if it is your first time, please just take a quick second to hit the subscribe down below and comment. Let me know how you liked this video and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I would super appreciate it. It helps me out so much. But today I'm just doing a quick Sunday shenanigan vlog, and also a makeup haul, and doing just like a quick demonstration of all of the products that I recently purchased for you guys. So you can see this is the final look, but I will be going through that in the video. And then just doing a really quick haul from Romway with accessories, because I haven't done an accessory video at all yet. So it's going to be kind of a hangout with Brooke day. Enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, so I just put my hair up after washing it. So I bought new product from E.l.f. Eyes, lip, face. Love their stuff. Very affordable. And then I also got Too Faced nude eyeshadow palettes. So I'm just going to do like a quick basic makeup look for you guys to kind of show you how those products work and everything like that. So if you guys want to get them, you can. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm super excited to share these items that I got in a E.l.f. haul. E.l.f. is actually a really good makeup brand. For as affordable as it is, it actually has some really amazing products, and I'm just super excited to be trying some of them out for you guys today. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open this. See what's inside. So cute. E.l.f. cares. When we first learned of the hand sanitizer shortage as a result of COVID-19, we moved at E.l.f. speed to do our part to keep every eye, lip, face, and hand safe. Here's our gift to you. Lather up, stay safe, and be well. Oh, so cute. So this is something I totally forgot about. Actually, E.l.f. is supplying you with every order this little mini hand sanitizer because of the shortage. So cute. It's just this little tiny hand sanitizer bottle, but it's 62% alcohol, so it's actually a pretty good sanitizer. Like, that came free just by ordering. Like, so amazing. Let's see what else we got in here. So I got mineral infused face primer. My previous E.l.f. primer is almost out, so I'm really excited to try this one. My previous one wasn't mineral infused, but I actually really love their face primers, so really excited to try that. You guys, this is probably what I'm most excited about. So I have never tried body oil, and I'm really excited to try this. I'm hoping it gives me that kind of like golden glow with a little bit of sparkle, but it looks like it will. Like, look at this coloring. So pretty. It's called E.l.f. Retro Paradise Glow Up Body Oil Sun Kissed. So I'm hoping it does give me that sun kiss kind of sparkly glow. Really excited to use this, you guys. Please ignore my nails. Dewy setting mist. So really excited to try this. It's coconut, which is my favorite, and this is actually a really decent sized bottle. I didn't think it was going to be as big as it is, so that's super exciting. I love setting mist. My previous E.l.f. one is almost out as well. And then I got this monochromatic multi-stick. It's kind of this really pretty pink. It's called Dazzling Peony, but it's a multi-stick that you can use in many different ways. So you can actually put this on your eyes as kind of an eyeshadow, your lips as like a lipstick, or you can use it as blush. So there's many different ways you can use this. And then last but not least, I of course got a total face sponge because I always am in need of a good face sponge. I use mine so quickly. But I believe that is everything, you guys. So I'm going to use some of this today so you guys can see it. We'll try it out. Okay, you guys. So I just did my very basic skincare routine. Vitamin serum, brightening boost serum. Everything that I did in my morning routine video. And now I'm just going to start with my makeup look using these new products. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the E.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Super excited to use this. I don't know about you guys, but I like to use a little brush when I put primer on instead of using my fingers. Next, we're just gonna put my foundation on really quickly. And then I'm just going to use my new Total Face Sponge by E.l.f. Again, I like to wet my face sponge. Again, I hate doing my eyebrows on camera and they take way too long to do on camera, so I just very quickly did them off camera. And then we're going to use just a little bit of this E.l.f. Retro Paradise Glow Serum. I'm not going to put it, usually I would put it all over my body. That's what I plan on doing with it, but just to give you guys an idea, it's very liquidy when it comes out, but I'm just going to put a little bit on my face. So cool. It just gives you this like beautiful shimmery glow. It's so beautiful like on your shoulders and on your chest. That's probably what I'm going to use it mostly for. Time to use my new palette. So I got the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette, and it is so beautiful. Like I can't even. Too Faced is like my favorite when it comes to like eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes. But here it is. And so when I saw this palette, I was like, I have to have it. So I just put eye primer on my eyes. I don't really know what like color palette I want to do. Let's do some like dark browns. I haven't done dark browns in a while. To use a nude color as my overall base, the cocoa color for like right on my eyelid line, and then I'm gonna do like this sparkly sugar chestnut color in the inner part of my eye. So we'll do that. I'm seriously obsessed. Like, it is so gorgeous. I love natural looking makeup. It's my favorite. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Okay, next I'm just gonna do a really quick highlight. Nothing crazy. Just underneath the eyes, the nose. Gonna go in with my trusted beauty blender again. And I'm just gonna do very light contouring. After all of that is finished, I'm just going to use my monochromatic multi-stick from E.l.f. that I'm super excited to use. I'm actually going to use it for a blush today, but you can use it as eyeshadow, you can use it as blush, you can put it on your lips. It's like so amazing to do so many different things with it. But we're just going to draw just a little line. So there's that, you guys. I love the color of it. Super pink and beautiful. I'm also going to put a little bit on my lips so you guys can see it a little bit more. Just kind of gives a little bit more color to the face. I'm also just gonna put a little bit down my nose. Just give it a little bit more color. And I'm just gonna end this look with some highlighter. There you go, guys. Just my super natural look. Very glowy and summery. I am obsessed with all the products that I got. I love them all. The last thing I'm going to be using is this e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Monochromatic stick is probably my favorite. I just love that it's so versatile and you can do so much with it. And then also my Too Faced palette. I cannot go wrong with the Too Faced Nude palette. Like, so beautiful. I'm super excited to try so many different looks with it. I just love this look so much. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, I will link them below for you, and also you can check them out on my Like to Know It app. I'm going to be posting them in there as well. But yeah, this was a super fun haul for me. I haven't really bought any new makeup for a while, especially eyeshadow palettes. I've used the same ones for like years. Okay, you guys, really quickly, I just wanted to share a quick haul with you for some accessories that I recently purchased off of Romwe. I'm absolutely obsessed with all of the purchases I've made. Especially the accessories, and I did show you guys the sunglasses earlier when I went running and took you guys with me. I love those, but let me just go through some quick things in case you guys are interested. I loved everything I got. So first off, I got these earrings. They are just a simple gold hoop with like a line going through, and I just think they're so unique than just like the average hoop earring, and they're just very dainty and simple but yet beautiful and sophisticated. So I'm really in love with these. I put my hair back and it's all wet and sloppy from my shower, but doing my makeup and just throwing these on actually makes me look pretty put together. So that's what these earrings can do for you. I love that feeling. Next thing that I got that I'm super excited about is this bucket hat. Now, bucket hats are like super trendy right now, and I also have a really cute outfit. Not going to tell you it yet because I'm probably going to post it either on my Instagram or in another haul. Look at all these cute little flowers. It's kind of like childish a little bit, but I love it. It's also this kind of like see-through horse material, but it holds the shape really well. And then here it is on. I'm going to be taking this on vacations as soon as we can go on vacations. You guys, they had so many bucket hats on Romwe. Next thing that I got that I think is super cute but also super beneficial for right now in these times is I actually got 4 really cute floral masks for only $5 on Romwe. And look at these, so cute. Each one of them is different. I don't have my 4th one because I did wear it all day today and had to put it in the wash. But they are so cute, and they come with elastics so you can tighten it or loosen it to kind of make it comfortable around your face. It also is this like silky material. It's not cotton. So it's almost like a linen, and it is so wonderful because I can actually breathe. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Definitely check out Romwe for their masks. They had so many different kinds. Most of them came in a group of like 4 for $5, which is fantastic. So go check them out. Next thing I got was this super cute handkerchief headscarf, and I still have yet to figure out how all these ladies are wearing these things. I see them really cute on Pinterest and everything like that. I bought it to put in my hair, but every time I go to put it in my hair, it kind of turns out being like a pirate's wrap. Like, you don't really know how they all do it, but It's super cute, and that's what I'm planning on doing once I master the way to actually put it on. Last but not least is I got these super gorgeous gold necklaces. This one's a choker, and it just has those gold discs spaced out on it. And then this one is just a long, dainty gold necklace with that gold bar right there. These, I just love gold. As you guys can tell, pretty much everything I wear is gold. Probably gonna layer them to get that layering necklace effect, but really excited about this. Super cheap. I think these were both like $2 each on Romwe. I'm telling you guys, it is so worth it to check out Romwe, their clothes and their accessories. I've always had a really good experience with them. So yeah, I got some pretty amazing things by checking them out. So I highly recommend it if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but most of all, I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July weekend. You stayed safe and got to spend some time with some family and loved ones. I was fortunate to be able to go to a drive-through fireworks show with my boyfriend, and it was actually really safe because of the precautions they had by keeping us in our cars to watch the fireworks show. But we still got to experience 4th of July and that big fireworks show that I always love going to. So that was super amazing. But I hope you guys had a safe but fun weekend, and I love you guys so much. I'll be returning next week for another video. And if you guys enjoyed this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. And I love you guys. I will see you next Wednesday.